Hi friends, this is Santosh. Welcome to the Velocity tutorial. In this video, I am going to explain about email action. Email action we can see in the integration procedure in the action tab. In the action tab, there will be a email action element. By there we can configure the email action, and let's see what is the use of email action. Email action will give the notification to the user like whom whom to notify. We will be placing their email id in the to address, so that the email will be sent to that particular email id. Let's see how we can configure in the velocity org. Yes, I have created a integration procedure with email action as a name, and we need to have email IDs if we want to uh, send email, uh, and also that email ID we can get it from the objects, from like contact lead or any user. Like that we can get the email IDs. Now I want to get the uh, email IDs. If to get the email IDs from the Salesforce, we have only one option. We have options like data raptor and integration, the data raptor and that remote action. uh, Now I'm using data raptor, like get contacts data raptor. By this I'll get the I'll be getting the email. I'm getting the contact IDs, contact information I'll get by this. And filter is also ID. I'll show this. This is a contact, this is a data raptor which will get the contact records. In the contact records we have like ID. We need to pass account ID, so that we'll get the contact ID. If you click on preview, I have kept limit preview limit as 1. If we click on this and if we execute this one, we'll be getting one record on that particular account. Now let's see. In this we also have uh, in this we also have that email. Now we'll try to use the email action. In this we can try to use this email action. In the email action we can configure, like we can use template, or without template also we can have. Mostly we'll be using normal thing. I'm removing this one. To pass any to pass email ID to the to list, it should be a path of that email. The path of that email is data raptor name. For this scenario is data raptor name colon email. I'll show how it will come. The path will be like, it will be percentage, so that it will get the data from that particular path colon email. I'm writing because it is having like in that particular data raptor we don't have any node. Directly we'll be getting the data in their email is the second one, so we can write email directly in the that place, in this place. Now if we can add CC to this, and also BCC, and also email subject also we can add, like uh, this mail is from demo. This mail is from demo. And we can also have some email body, like anything we can paste from anywhere. This is the email body. And if you click on preview, now I'll add one response action to see what is the output it is getting. I'll click on return full JSON data. Now I need to add one ID. That ID should be account ID, which should have contact, and that contact should have valid email ID. I click on execute. This will be executed and the data wrapper will get the data. Like here, if you observe, the data wrapper get the data with the email, and the data wrapper action status is equal to true. Then if you observe the email, this one santoshvelocity@gmail.com is the email I have given. I think we have received the email. Yes, we have received this email. See, you can see the subject, this mail is from demo, and the body of the email also we have received. If you observe the sender for this email, see, if you observe the sender from this for the email, it will be from salesforce.com, like this. This will be the use of the email action, and also you can debug from here, and also you can configure as you required. Whatever the required scenario you have, you can configure the email action. And this will email or action will also we can get this from the OmniScript and also in the integration procedure. If you want to perform anything on the back end, like if you want to perform this email action in the business logic, we'll use in the integration procedure, or else if you want to perform in the OmniScript level also, we can perform this in email action. And please subscribe my video. Thanks for watching this video.